have to go this way. Okay. I'll talk to you first. Krista.
Hey there.
That's a pretty useful radio for her to be holding on to, no?
It's busted, but it means something to him.
Oh, I understand.
Where you from?
Where you from?
San Francisco.
Wow.
He's a long way from home.
You'll say you don't have an accent.
He wanted the Great American Road Trip.
Well, that sounds kind of cool.
Than he bargained for, huh?
Who the
Nothing wrong
hell
with a road
is
trip.
Civil War history anyway, other than old white guys? Wonderful. You'll be thick as thieves.
Oh, that's right. I was a history teacher, wasn't I? Yeah, you learned the media's interest in Southern history. Nice.
Sure how we'll get that tank down.
Maybe ask me.
The look on his face raising his hand. That was great.
Careful. She's a crack shot now.
You got this girl shooting guns?
Look,
Well-
I don't need a lecture.
Yeah.
You
it's
weren't
just-
getting one. It's good. She should be able to take care of herself.
Ooh, what is... Ooh, your eyes looked all weird
What
for
were
me.
you two arguing about when I was coming up the ladder?
Nothing.
If you're gonna be around for a while, be good to know what baggage you got.
Then maybe we won't be around for a while.
Damn, I was doing so good until that point. Kristen, I didn't appreciate you prying into her business. I'm sorry! Just doing what the screen tells
You
me.
interrogating this woman for us?
Yep.
She set off any alarm bells?
She's so cute.
Yeah.
She's very thorough.
That's what I like to hear.
Like when little kids used to play cops and robbers. Oh. I sound old because I said that. Definitely.
Can I follow you over there?
You don't like the new girl?
I do, but it's like we're a team, like you said.
Yeah, all right. Come on. Clementine and I are checking out this train station, all right? Hustle over if you hear anything.
Okay. Hasn't really been touched. Got survivors inside. Okay. Look at sign. Everton and Schultz. Daubeny Fine Silver. I like these logos. Macabre Imports. Or McCabe. Ray Brand Auto Parts, Macon, Georgia, 1931. Okie dokie, I don't know why I had to look at them. I can kind of read them from here. See, these... The thing should be like clues for things. No, I don't want to go back.
You should wait for me before
Yeah,
trying to
don't
open doors.
say Jimmy
Sorry.
doors open without thinking
Luckily,
the
it's
plan.
locked. We'll get better at working together.
Oh yeah, there was a sign I wanted to look at. Ah, well, it was nothing then. Okay, that was a waste of time. Alright. Check the door. Or no. Oh, I found a forklift. Could that be of use?
Doesn't look like that thing's worked in years.
Damn. Okay, nothing else left but the... window.
The window's open up there.
Maybe I could look in?
Aw, am I gonna, like, send you, like, shooting through the window?
Oh, but...
Alright. Well, it does look like it's kind of boarded shut.
We'll have to find a way in. Why don't I put you on my shoulders and you can peek into that window up there?
Sounds good.
My brave little girl, you're getting so big.
Okay, I can see in. What do I do now?
What do you see?
What do you see?
Lots of crates and stuff.
Maybe we can find the key or figure out a way to knock this door down. Kenny'd probably have me pick the lock, which actually might work now that we have the
I
time.
think I opened it.
For real?
I think so.
You know, lockpick. Well, I'll be damned.
I'll be damned.
Hey! Yes! Okay.
Be careful.
Ah,
I'm supposed to tell you.
I love when you have the same thought as your video game character.
God damn, it's dark in here.
Maybe I can hold the door open?
I don't like that. I'll prop it open with something.
Oh, my little tool. Would that work? Yeah. Okay. So it really didn't matter what tool I picked up, apparently. As long as it was a tool.
How we doing?
Good. What do we need?
Something to help us deal with the taker out there.
Empty shell.
They didn't have much business back then.
What is this place? It's a station, but is it
There's
like a
some
post
space up
office
there.
kind of station?
Not much.
We're lucky I'm so little.
Oh,
There we are.
you're so cute.
That's
Blood-
exactly what we need.
What?
Over there?
What are the odds that a
we need to get in
blowtorch
there
is
and get
going to
that
be in a
blowtorch.
train station? Seriously?
It's locked up good, but there's some space at the top.
We're lucky I'm so little.
Alright,
we
so
are.
then I'm supposed to go over to you?
Locked up good.
Okay.
You okay going over the top of this fence?
Yeah, definitely.
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
No. No, no! Oh, it was me! I thought it was you! Dude! No! Oh, fuck. Yeah, I need my tool now. Okay, then it's a good thing I got something spiky. Put it to the left stick, back away. Oh, come on! I clicked it! Good. Oh, shit. Oh, I thought the one I hit didn't have a jaw and I was gonna go the other way. No! 'Cause I should have hit him first and I thought the other one didn't have a jaw, so it was like maybe I'd put up a fight better. I don't know. Strategy. Something. Got out of it. Thank you. Oh, honey. I don't expect you to get it the first
It's
time.
okay. Everything's fine.
Yeah. It's okay. You were scared. This happens. It's not. Oh no. Oh no!
Now!
Yeah, give me. Give me, damn it. Give out, stupid test. Put it in the hole. Oh, come on, put it in. Give me gun. Give me gun. I shoot. Bang bang. Yay. Did I say IRS or FRS?
God damn.
That didn't go so good.
No.
No,
did
it
not
didn't.
Go so good.
Okay, sweetie.
Okay. Everything's
Oh,
okay.
as long as you're okay. God, that actually did scare
What's
me.
going on? I thought I heard a gunshot.
Well, you did. Shut up. Been hearing gunshots all day.
We found some walkers.
You and an 8-year-old versus 3 of them, huh?
What's that supposed to mean? I taught her well. She knows what to do. And I'm her protector. Handled it, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like. What if you hadn't? I'm gonna go make sure the noise didn't cause us any problems.
True.
Good idea.
I
What?
hope you know what you're doing with her.
Me too.
Me too.
For her sake.
Try to compromise, whatever. I still won't forget that. We need to work together, we can't make enemies. Now can I...
Sure you're okay?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's one thing.
I'm a little shaky.
It'll pass.
Yeah. Get that blowtorch. Why is a blowtorch in a train station, post office looking thing? I don't know where we are.
We
It is a train station.
Go outside now.
What did we learn?
not ready for a gun?
Everything is dangerous.
No, Clem. We learned that everything we will ever do is dangerous. We'll get better, smarter, and
That
faster,
includes
okay?
even in our reality, not just zombie apocalypse reality. And I remember that. Alright, so there's nothing else. Alright. Oh, I got my tool back. I didn't even realize that. Thought I got like one use out of it and then it was it. Okay. Now to blowtorch that tanker.
I found a blowtorch in the station. Should make quick work of the coupling up there.
Excellent. I'll come up there with you to have a look.
Aw, you're so sweet, Omid. You make me happy. Yeah. Go, yeah, I'll just go now. I just want to get this over with. I know we're at the... it's gotta be the end of this. It's went on for kind of long.
There's no way I'm pulling anything apart down there.
Oh. The, yeah. Oh, there's a leak.
Shit.
What's up?
The hose has a leak in it.
Turn it off, dude. I don't want my eyebrows burned off.
Good idea.
Better plug that leak with something.
I like this dude. Keep Omid around. Very positive. We need more positivity in my group. We're just like depressed for everything. So that was a good idea. I picked up that tape then. Okay. Come on, lag. The lag is real, y'all.
That's crazy. Look at it go.
That's what blowtorchers
about
do,
got it.
honey. Whoa! Yes, thank you. Oh, you're the best.
Thanks.
No sweat, man.
This thing is hanging by a thread. The smallest cut and it'll go. I can't reach it now.
Okay.
Damn it, it was just about done, too.
Find something now to like stretch me over. Or I find a person to stretch over.
Here, the weak portion of the coupling's out of my reach.
You think it'll be within mine?
No, but I'm gonna dangle you over that ledge.
What?
The hell you are?
Yeah, how you are. Never mind.
God, you're a real son of a bitch, aren't you?
Shut up and start cutting.
That's not dangling, but okay. I hear that. Oh, shit! I finally get my zombie stampede. Nice.
Guys, there's something coming. What the what?
Must be thousands.
We gotta go.
Oh my god, dude.
Fuck. Omi! Cut! Cut!
I am. It's going. Pull me up.
Oh, yeah, we did it. But how do we get that out of the way now?
Can he go?
Come on, Kenny. Everybody on.
Shit.
What's that?
What the hell do we do now?
We gotta jump. Yeah, we gotta jump. Go.
We gotta jump.
What? No way.
Well, we gotta make it. Come on. Have it your way. I gotta push you.
Have it
Sorry.
your way.
I will. You son of a.
You ain't gonna jump. I know you weren't gonna jump. What was that bang? Ah, damn it! You pushed on me.
Shit.
Ah!
Oh fuck! I could have used a blowtorch and set it on fire. Fuck! Fuck! Oh my god! Damn it! Oh! Oh, that was something I wanted. Oh, I rushed. I was in too much of a panic.
Omid! You son of a bitch, save him!
You saved Crystal. I didn't know I had the option to save Omid! I didn't know! Oh, okay, it's fine, good. Dude, that pissed me off. I was in such a panic thinking, I gotta make the train now or I'm never gonna get to it. Damn it. Could've had a, like, fiery ending. Damn it, that would've been so cool looking.
That was a lot of them.
Are you hurt?
No, we're okay.
Speak for yourself. My leg is spot.
I'm sorry.
We're fine.
Damn it. I'm so pissed at myself for not doing that. Oh, did we make it? We made it to Savannah! Aw, that smile on my face. Oh, my baby girl's asleep. Aw, is that Kenny? Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I want to see what it is. What, is it Kenny and his family? Aww. Oh, so sweet.
Next stop, the Atlantic.
We're finding Clementine's parents when we get there.
I thought they were dead.
Looking for them there.
That's not the plan.
Well, it's ours. She and I talked it through. It's gotten too bad, you know. You, me.
It's always like a choice where it's like all three answers are appropriate at the same time.
What we're supposed to do isn't clear anymore. I'd give anything to go back to fighting over the motel.
Me too.
I'll leave you to your thoughts. She's out cold like I've never seen.
It's okay. What? What? It works?
Can't wait for you to get to Savannah, Clementine. I got your parents right here. And you be sure to find me, whether Lee wants you to or not. Now, what I need...
What the
I thought that
fuck?
fucking thing was broken.
So did I. Who the fuck was that? If he's convinced Clementine that he has her parents.
Y'all might want to rethink your plan.
Oh shit. Oh, Clemmy. What's happening? No. Oh, that makes me really worried now.
We're almost at the river. You want to get on a boat? Or you want to wait around till the walkers figure out we're here?
I know I promised that we'd find your parents. But Savannah's more dangerous than I thought it would be.
I don't know how much longer he can keep on like this. If his leg gets any worse, we're gonna have to carry him.
Or leave him? If I were you, I'd get out of the street. Now!
Who the hell is this? Answer me, damn it!
So when were you gonna tell us about the radio?
Who have you been talking to? You come back here, I'll kill you. You understand? I will kill you!
I'm in full-on dad mode right now. So yeah, this chapter took a toll on me, man. Oh my god. Did you see the girl on the street? 40% of players shot her. Did you abandon Lily? 45% of players left her behind. Okay. Did you fight Kenny? 45% of players talked to him. Did you shoot Duck? Yeah, I kind of figured. Did you help Omid? You went through an episode. I didn't know I had the option to help Omid, okay? I didn't know. I was in my panic mode again. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, well, this whole episode did take a toll on me. Like, I felt like I needed to walk away, but I was like, I think I only had a little bit left of this game, just because I lost 3 people that I did care about in this group. Even though it sounded like I didn't give one crap about Duck, I still liked the kid, even after the whole, like, I'm the Robin to your Batman thing that made me giggle. Like, yeah, like, I already lost 3 people that I cared deeply about in this game, and it hit me. It hit me pretty hard. Not as hard as it hit Kenny, obviously, but jeez, like, I just don't know what to say. Like, I don't even know what to say about that ending, that, like, cliffhanger-esque ending. Like, who is this guy that Clementine is talking to, and why does she think that he has her parents? Like, what kind of proof does he have to convince her of that otherwise? Yeah, we'll find that out next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of games you want me to play next. Let me know what you thought about this playthrough, and I will see you next time, boils and ghouls.